Hello, my name is Morgan, and today we will be going over how to add a member into your membership list. So first, we're going to go to this admin dropdown and select union members. Then once it loads to that page, we're going to add an individual member by, once it loads, selecting Add Member. You will then put in the member's name, their date of birth, and then either their employee ID or the last four of their social, depending on what your group will use. We're going to go ahead and do social. If you would like to add their industries, such as employer, classification, worksite, etc., you can do that as well. If you would like to add an image, you would select image. And then you can choose an image. We'll just put a blank screen and submit. And that is how you add an individual member to your membership list.